saw me doing my work again. I was just playing with this 3D bug model, like it's here. But today we're gonna do something else, not a book themed today things we'll do. We're gonna do something else today. We are building this Minions Lego set. It's the Minions, the Rise of Gru. It has Stuart, Bob, and their personalities if you open it. And for now, let's get started and I'll build it. And for my latest video we will be sending, at the end you'll have a sneak peek of what we're gonna make. The next video is a Lego, just a hint. Okay, and this is the one we did the last time we had made, and this is like the one that I didn't understand the instructions. This looks nice, but if you see inside, like it's full of things that you don't even know they were even there. So now let's get starting and open this up. So this has been recently sent from USA okay, so this is really nice. This is really good. So let's start opening it. So I will be needing my scissors. Wait. Okay, I'm excited. So we have one bag, two. We have another one bag, another two bag, and another two bag. And we have, get out of here. Okay, so we have one instruction for we have one instruction for Stuart and one instruction for actually, are these two? I'm confused. Okay, so we can make two of these, I think. Okay, now let's get started with the one instruction, and now let's get started. Oh no, my bad. So now let's start making this. Okay, so I have done this much, and I have some chips, so I'm gonna eat them and make it. So let's get started. So which step we were? Okay, we were on this step. So we will be needing this and fast forward. So you may see I made this minion, the legs, the hands, the everything, without you in the video and the behind the scenes, and even have done the inside. The inside I have already done before, and you can even spin the eye from here. But the eye I just put it normally with my area, but it was like this, like roaming around. And we have a boomerang, we have things, we have our comics, we have many things, like a bed in here so he can sleep, we have bow and arrow and everything, and Stuart really likes cartoons. And who is Stuart? You may know now. There's Stuart. This is Stuart. He will go and then, bye-bye Stuart, you guard. Stuart will stay here with the little dust he has, and he will go to sleep. Bye-bye Stuart. Stuart. This guy is a silly too. Let's put him here for now. So next we have this. I was just making this, and then the charging go away for Stuart, timing, and then we have what to do. So we have him right here. We have Bob's. I think this is not Bob. Yeah, this is Bob. Bob's identity for now. We can see he likes fighting. Yeah, he had like a ninja. We had to kick this person, and those things you way. He has this. Okay, now let's go forward to make Bob. If you buy this set, you will only get 2 guides, and you will think that only 2 characters come. Bob and what do we call him, Stuart. Bob and Stuart will come. Actually, Kevin even comes in the starting. If you open it, it's a little heavy and thick. So you should see rebuild Kevin into Bob. So you can make Kevin into Bob or Bob into Kevin. So I'm making Bob first, and then I can make Kevin. No, not nice. Just like not a 3-in-1. You can call it a 2-in-1 and a 1 set. Yeah, 2-in-1 and a 1 set. That's like a nice name. So okay, so let's get back to our topic. Let's talk it. So guys, in the meanwhile, well, I was gone. So we did these two because we have to make Bob or Kevin. So for Kevin pieces, we have this, and the poor little Kevin is with us right now. So if you find the box, you can see that how to make Kevin, how to make Bob. But I made Bob because Bob was a little small, and we have Stuart and Bob. And but we do not have Kevin's little layer thingy, because I was saying. And as I told you, Stuart is 2 eyes and 2 colored eyes, because that doesn't make any sense. But for Kevin, we're just spinning this one wheel around. For Kevin's eye, we're just spinning this one wheel around like this. But for Bob's, we are using 3 wheels. This wheel spins both the wheels like this. Hey! Like this. Like it even says that. Spin it with stickers. And for Bob, we have 2 eyes, and he has the same thing as Kevin, we have 2 eyes, and for the same thing we have to do with him. And he has like a pop-up area. He's more like into comics, more not into. And he's into fighting, he's into science and helping Gru and everything. So we have this for now, and I'll see you next week. Oh, and really awesome, I can show you the surprise that I was saying. We already have built it. No surprises left. Let's show you the surprise set. So it's really cool. It's like a car. This isn't. This is like a tank car, whatever. So we're just gonna try it out right now on the table. We will see how does it work. Oh, and these were the extra pieces for making Kevin. So for making Kevin up. So we have no idea what it should even do. And there's a little baby banana. Okay. So how does this work? It works really nicely, but we have put the base in the wrong way. It should be like this. We'll put it like this. So we have to on this first in our remote. It's like made from Lego, and this area is made from Lego. And then we have to on the core, which on from here, and it has a blue light, and this has a red light. Blue light, red light. Now, whoa. And it spins like that. It's really cool. You can, there, spins, and then it even watches some good obstacles, like walking this much low obstacles is really good. And I hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching it, and please subscribe, click the bell, click the notification bar. If you click the bell, you'll always get my notifications of what I ever say. I don't know how to say that still. Okay, and it's really happy for you, and give this video a like, and I'll make a new video if I have more likes than I ever had, and view and watch this video. Please follow. I'll see you next time. Bye.